What is Slack? We ask ourselves that every day. And wouldn't you know, we have an answer. Slack is a messaging app for business, yet it's also so much more. It's your company's home for everyone and everything. Your digital HQ. Slack is made up of organized spaces for anything you're working on, so you can move a project forward way faster, share ideas, set deadlines, and make decisions together in a dedicated space. It's productivity on your own terms, giving you flexibility to work the way you work best, so you can collaborate live. Oh, hi! Find information from across your company. Aha! Or create some focus time. And it's a place to connect with everyone you work with, inside and outside your company. So you can bring together the right people with the right context, and everyone can stay up to date. People do their best work when they have a place to work together. That place is Slack. Get started today and transform the way you work.